Good morning, y'all. Pawpaw, Sammy, and Allybug here. I'm up and going. Had a rough week, but I'm up and going. Now, I had one of my subscribers call me and say, I'm going to send you something. I said, okay. Look at that. I have never seen one built like that. Now, this is the one most people use. It's a sheetrock saw to cut sheetrock. That's what I use it for. I'm sure it's multiple tasks, but I don't know that for a fact. Now, I have never seen one built like this. And I'm sure the way that blade is built, that the odds of you finding a new blade, good luck. Anyway, I'm gonna clean this one up and put it back. The other thing that they sent me was this. This is a razor knife. Now, here's the modern version of it. The modern version, the blade's out, is back, safety feature. This one, with the blade in it, is continuously exposed. This was a tool that you had to be extremely careful with. There was no way to put it in your pocket, no way to, not with that blade exposed. I can use this one and put it in my pocket, bring it right back out. There it is again. Now, this I'm debating on. I know that it's aluminum for a fact. Well, the screw is steel. I got my magnets. I check. I could polish it and make it look like a mirror. Well, I don't know if I'm just going to clean. I don't know what I'm going to. I'm open for suggestions on that one. This one, I'm going to do my best to straighten that blade out. I'm not going to try to sharpen it. The teeth is mighty small. It's sharp on the end and sharp here, but it's completely dull in the center. I'm going to do my best to bring this one back original. There's a little gold paint there. I do believe, well, I think the whole thing was gold. It just faded out so bad. This was white, but it needs straightening. It's all crooked, a little polishing. Anyway, that's my next project right there. These two. I need some backup on that. Should I clean it like my old axe and put it up, or just kind of clean it up and leave it as is? Good question. Like and subscribe.